nigga. Since a young nigga, streets influence me, nigga. Ain't none of these rap niggas fooling me, nigga.
What's up, y'all? It's DeSade. We back at it again with the back at it again. But this time, I got a treat for you. I am finally giving you all a wig installation video. This wig has already been shampooed and conditioned, and I'm just getting in to really show you all the color of the lace. It's like a very light brown color, and you know I'm a little chocolate brown skin, a little something. So I'm gonna just show y'all how to tint your little lace. So just take some powdered makeup, get you a brush, dip it up in the powder, and I'm just gonna put it across the front hairline, and then I'm gonna put it across where my part is. Now you will see a lot of people put makeup over the entire thing. That's because over the course of them having this wig installed, they are going to be moving apart. But me, I'm not going to be moving my part and whatever, so I'm gonna just do the front hairline, then I'll put some makeup under the part, and as you all see, y'all get into it. Before we apply our wig, we do want to go ahead and push all of our hairs back, regardless if we're doing a bald cap method or not. You do want to go ahead and push those up out of the way. And then right after that, I'm going to take some alcohol and apply this to the skin that's right in front of my hairline, just to make sure I don't have any oil or anything on my skin, which will prevent the glue from sticking. So to apply my wigs, I do use Ghost Bond. I'm going to go in and just make a line right in front of my hairline. Just going to take that glue and just go all the way down from sideburn to sideburn. And then I'm going to take my finger. I know a lot of people use different things, but I use my finger because it's more easy for me to smooth it down. So just going to take my finger and finger everything down sideways. Don't push it back into your hairline. Just smooth it down your forehead and make it really thin so when it dries, you know, everything is even and it dries nice and yada yada yada. And once the first layer is dry, you should get something like this. If you applied it thin and smoothed it out really good, it should be clear. If it doesn't dry down clear, I'm being honest, go ahead and get some alcohol, wipe it off and redo it, because if you do the glue too thick, then it's gonna be lumpy. So when it's time for you to glue on your wig, the glue gonna start coming up through the little lace holes and it's not gonna look right. So just make sure that you do smooth layers and allow it to dry clear in between each layer you apply. And then I applied 3 layers just because I did plan on really wearing this wig. So I did 3 layers. Okay, y'all, so now that we have applied all of our layers of Ghost Bond glue, it's now time to apply our wig. Now, when I secure my wigs, I do not have the back of my wig down with the, you know, elastic band and the comb and everything, because I do want room to be able to pull this wig and line it up with my hairline. So when I apply my lace wigs, I like to take the edge of that lace and line it up with the edge of that glue. I don't want the glue past the lace, because then them hair is going to be stuck in the glue when it's time for you to lay your baby hairs. You can't move it because obviously you put on a lot of layers. So when I lay that lace down, I take my comb the hairs back away from the hairline, and then I just press the lace into the glue. So once again, before you do apply the lace, you want to go ahead and comb all of the hairs back so you don't have anything stuck in your glue. Then you're going to lay the lace right on top of the glue. Then we're going to push it down, comb the hairs back, push it down. There you go. Right after you are done gluing your lace wig down, you can go ahead and get a scarf and tie everything down to really make sure that you melt in lace. I skipped that step because I did make sure I pushed everything in pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and take some Gorilla Snot and apply this to the hairline, and then I'm just going to brush these little small hairs forward across my hairline. Then I'm going to do the first swoop. I know a lot of people make it sound like it's rocket science, but it's not. All you want to do, take your comb, brush all the hairs forward. Then when it's time to swoop, place your finger, and the width of your finger is going to determine how wide that swoop is. Place your finger down, then you're going to take the brush and brush it upwards towards the rest of the hair, and that is what actually creates the swoop. And then when you're done, I like to go ahead and brush the whole side of that swoop. Y'all see how that's like a straight line? I like to make it like that, and that's basically it. And then for the next one, I just want to make a line parallel to the hairline, and then I'm going to take some Gorilla Snot, brush the hairs forward with my finger, come right in, switch it between the brush and comb, just bringing all of those hairs forward. And once again, to create the swoop, all you have to do is brush all of the hairs forward, place your finger right there up on the hairline and the hair, and when you take the brush, place the brush directly in front of your finger, pull the hair straight up into the hair itself. And I'm like stuttering trying to say this, y'all. It's like super simple, so I'm really overdoing the explanation, but hopefully if y'all keep on listening to it and just watch what I'm doing, you'll get it. It's real easy. And once I'm done with my edges, I do want to go ahead and take my edge scarf and tie this down. And now I can begin to freshen up these curls. One thing I love about this wig is anybody can do it. All you have to do is get a spray bottle, put some water, conditioner, and a little oil in it. Go section by section, spray it, and brush it through. If you really want to make the curls pop, I did put in like a little, I think it was Eco Style gel. I rubbed that across it, then I came back, sprayed it, then brushed it, then sprayed it, and brushed it. Girl, we was killing it. Alright y'all, so once we got that hair good and saturated, got the little oil and gel in it, we can go ahead and take off our edge scarf. And as you all see, I'm clearly not the chick that you need to be playing with right now. You see them edges? Yeah, okay, get into it. Then I'm finna show y'all how to really make this part pop. So you want to go back and repart your hair because you know you've been fondling with it, so things could have happened. So you want to get you a thin flat brush or a thin angle brush. So I'm just gonna get my eyeliner brush and give me some powder, like face powder or you know anything that matches your skin tone. Just take the brush, tap it up in the powder, and then you can either tap it along your part or you can slide it along your part. But whichever one you want to do, make sure you get that suck up on there good and saturated. Don't have no little gaps in between, you know, the strokes that you done did. Be clean with it. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm putting y'all up on game. This gonna make like Moses himself came down to part your hair. So what you want to do is get you a mascara wand. And okay, you see where you put the powder concealer for the part right outside of that area. You want to take this wand and sit it there and brush it across those hairs to really make, okay, that's the part, that's the hair, so it could be super razor sharp, and you're just killing everybody in the game at this point. And this wig is not a jet black color, so I am going to take my edge brush and just blend everything out. So you know, you just got to blend it out because we don't want to make it look like we just took a Sharpie and swiped it across our head. So nah, take your little brush, blend it out the same way you blend your makeup, okay? And yeah, this is an extremely busy day, so I do apologize for not coming back and showing a final look, but I do have random clips of me, you know, just being a kid, looking good, you know, like I always do. And my boy wanna say something, so say something, Lincoln.
Y'all make sure to subscribe and hit that bell, ding ding ding. But y'all stinky.
Okay, my son, so y'all stinking, so y'all be sure to watch my hygiene routine. It will be linked down below. Say bye bye, Link.
Hey, bye bye.
I tried. You left my heart as cold as ice. And I cried.